Struggling to write engaging YouTube scripts that keep viewers watching? Say hello to Subscriber, the AI-powered script writing tool made for content creators who want to go viral without the burnout. In this video, we'll break down what Subscriber is, how it works, and why it could be your new favorite YouTube companion. Check out the link in the description to grab the Subscriber lifetime deal. What is Subscriber? Subscriber is an AI tool that helps YouTubers write long-form, high-retention video scripts up to 60 minutes long. Whether you're into tutorials, commentary, storytelling, or news-style content, Subscriber takes your video ideas and turns them into engaging scripts with a clear structure, emotional hooks, and your channel's unique voice. Key features. Let's talk features. AI script writing. Subscriber generates scripts with viral storytelling elements and pacing designed to keep viewers hooked. Ideation chat. Stuck on what to create next? Analyze top-performing YouTube videos and trends to spark ideas. Voice customization. Set your channel's tone and style so scripts sound like you, not a robot. Competitor research. See what's working for your niche and reverse engineer success. Prompt library. Jumpstart your creativity with guided templates and frameworks for different video types. Pros and cons. Here's a quick rundown of the pros and cons. Pros. Super easy to use, even if you're not a writer. Saves hours of brainstorming and editing. Lifetime deal available on AppSumo. Cons. Better suited for long-form videos, not short-form or TikTok-style content. Some features take a bit of practice to master. Pricing and deal info. Right now, Subscriber is available on AppSumo with a lifetime deal starting at just $69. That means no monthly fees, just one payment for unlimited access. Plus, it comes with AppSumo's 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it risk-free. Final thoughts. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel with consistent, high-quality content, Subscriber can help you cut your production time in half and boost your script quality instantly. It's like having a professional scriptwriter in your back pocket. Check out the link in the description to grab the Subscriber lifetime deal on AppSumo before it's gone. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like,